Alright guys, welcome to Real Life Real Tech. Today we're going to climb top of a mountain in Fermanagh. Today we're going to do the wind speed test on the Inspire 2 and the Mavic. Let's go! Alright guys, we're on the top of a mountain, it's freezing, but we're going to do the wind speed test in the Inspire 2 and the Mavic Pro. Alright, let's go! Meters, pretty elevated. Coming into the wind. Yeah, we can still at full throttle, flying into the wind. We're 125 meters above the top of the mountain. It's the Inspire's pretty much like that. The wind is coming this direction, so I'm going to try to go against the wind. I'm on full throttle, and it's not too bad. If that was far away, I would be in trouble. I think the battery power would have died before I got back. But the footage is really smooth. Pretty impressed with that. I'm not going to push it anymore because I would like to get it back in one piece.
Right, so Tim, as you see, the Inspire went up and you can see it was tilted in the wind, but it's holding very strong. What did you think of it?
Yeah, I think the Inspire 2 is pretty good in the high winds. I wouldn't like to go much more than this or even higher. I was at 125 meters up. I don't think we need to go any further. But I think it handled really well, and you know what, I have confidence in the drone just for the size of it and the sheer strength of it, that it's not going to blow away. But yeah, you got to be careful out there in the high winds, but that's pretty good for it. We don't usually fly in this kind of weather conditions, but for this test it worked out well. So Daggy, tell us your fears. You're quite worried here.
Against my bad judgment, Tim was making me fly in this wind.
Where's she going? Let's hold it up. We'll bring her to the same spot, Daggy, and we'll do the wind test. Alright, Daggy, do your thing. .125 there, I think, was the max.
Right, she's going up slowly. A little bit slower. Right, there's 125. And again, just a little bit slower.
Is it drifting a wee bit? No, it's holding pretty well.
So I'm not touching the controller, and it's actually standing up to wind really, really well. I'm pleasantly surprised, so it's a thumbs up for the Mavic on that.
Don't like that cable. Alright, Daggy, what do you think of that?
It's definitely held up really, really well. It's a lot stronger than I thought it'd be in these winds. Just a word of advice, use the real cables.
Alright guys, we're at the bottom of the mountain here. It's just about to rain on us, so let's make a quick conclusion on the two drones. Inspire 2, does what it says on the tin. It's the professional drone. It handles the high weather, the high wind speeds in all situations. Definitely, I wouldn't advise taking it out in much stronger winds than that. No, I mean that's just for to show you guys the test on it, but handled really well. We need to see the footage, but the footage looks really smooth. Mavic, I think the Mavic, to be fair, brilliant drone in the wind.
Mavic held up. It didn't do as much tilting as the likes of the Inspire, but the reason is the Inspire's got a much larger frame.
Yeah.
Simply, and look, to sum it all up, trust your drone more. It is a lot more tougher and resilient than you'd think.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you, guys.
All right.